All right, I'm back. Got one of my roughed in forms for my hemisphere or half sphere. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slowly start pushing my thumb down into this three-dimensional cone, right? A cone is a form. And so now you can see that is roughly a hollow cone. Now, if I pinch really hard and make a real thin spot, it's really difficult to make that thin spot thick again. So the idea here is some restraint. I want to go down to the bottom and then slowly pinch and spiral my way up to thin this whole form out. Now, ultimately, you can get these as thin as you want. If you are making these to make a sphere, as is the case for 3D Foundation Arts 102 and also Arts 140, Beginning Ceramics Hand Building. This will serve as an introduction practice in both of those courses and within the first assignment. So if you're doing those, you want to leave it kind of thick. You don't want to get thin spots. All right. Ultimately, you're looking to create a half sphere. Now you can see it starts to come in, so I can just gently kind of pull this out. And it's a little more cone shaped than a half sphere. When we do get to putting these two of these together, we'll trap air inside and then we can kind of manipulate them at that point. But the real focus here is that interaction between your thumb and your fingers and pinching that clay and kind of moving the material along almost like a wave to create a larger form, a larger hollow form from what was a smaller solid form. And the other thing that I can do is I can drop it gently on the rim to thicken that rim up. Because remember I said we're actually going to be combining two of these and we will get to that. All right, simple pinch pot, half of a sphere demonstration. Oops.